I can feel the rust dropping.
Alright, so we've ran into a problem. So it looks like these were actually tack welded. The here, let me get some light. Alright, so these were tack welded from the which side? So yeah, you can kind of see it right there. It's not even a tack weld, it's like a full like line. These were probably rattling at one point, so they got welded. So we're gonna have to bring it to a shop to get the rest done, which is gonna be like in a day or two. Unfortunate. All right, here are the old tips. Here's one of the new ones. Dang. Oh my gosh.
Yo.
And these are 5" in diameter. I don't know what these are. Might be similar.
They might be the same.
I don't think it is though, stock. Because a lot of people upgrade to 5".
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like 1 foot long, I'm pretty sure. So, I'm gonna get a sound clip without any tips at all. Just for fun. Let's see.
That's so loud. That's ridiculous.
It's raining.
Poor guy.
It's raining. I'm back on the right. I'm back on the right. Smell of freedom right there.
Something like that.